So our topic today is introduction of the word may and might. Remember, may and might actually, they do actually have the same meaning. And both of them are normally used to just show that it's possible. You are not so sure about it, but it is possible. Yeah, there's a possibility. But again, you are not sure. So when you say I may come or I might come, they have the same meaning that it is possible that you can come, but then you are not sure about it. You're not sure about the situation, whether you'll come or not, but there is a possibility. Now later, we will realize that at some point though, may and might sometimes have a little bit of difference. And especially when you talk about things which are real and things which are not real. We'll come and see that may is only used for real situations. Might, there's a point, of course, you will use might for things which are not real. Yes. You know, like today, if they chose me to become the president of African Union, I might change so many things. So when I say I might change so many things, that is just imagination. That is, I imagine a situation when if they chose me, but then of course I don't expect that to choose me very soon, but that is only my own way of imagining. So if they chose Yahya, for example, to become the president of Djibouti, I know he might do so many things. Yeah, he might do so many things. But of course, the real situation is that he is not the president of Djibouti. It's only imagination. So might, that is a big difference that you only have between may and might. Otherwise, in other situations, they are like the same thing. The negative of may is may not. The negative of might is might not. What about the past tense of this modal verb may? It is may have. Where is Amina today? I don't know. She may have gone to town. What about Abdurrahman? I don't know. He might have also gone there. He might have gone. You see that? That is the past. That is the past of that. We'll see that in a few. So study this example situation. You are looking for Ben. Nobody is sure where he is, but you get some suggestions. Look, where is Ben? He may be in his office. Another person says he might be having lunch. Another one says, I asked Kate, she might know. So all this means perhaps, see, maybe, no one knows exactly. So we use may or might to say that something is possible. You can use may or might. It may be true. It might be true. It means perhaps it is true. Ask Clara, she might know, or she may know. The negative forms are may not, of course, and might not. It may not be true, by the way. She might not know. Yeah. Remember, just like in all the other modal verbs, may always go with the infinitive. Though sometimes you can put an ing. So you see, be, sometimes an ing. Now, note the difference between maybe and maybe. Okay? There's, of course, this difference. There's, of course, this difference between maybe. You know, these are two different words. Eh? When you say maybe, it may be true. It may be. You know, be is now like the verb be. It may be true. Is it true? Maybe. I'm not sure. So maybe is like it's possible, perhaps. But maybe, like where's Amina? She may be in town. She may be at the college. She may be at work. But this one, is Amina coming today? Maybe. So maybe is like it's possible. Is Yaya married? I don't know. Maybe. Where is Yaya? He may be in town. So you see they're different. So when may and be are separate, it means it's like any other verb. He may go, he may be. But when they are together, maybe is in town. It's possible. It's possible. Hope you get the differences. For the past tense, of course, we use may have. You know, most of the modal verbs, the past tense always have. Even must, remember, he must have gone. You remember we did that? For the past, we use may have or might have. I wonder why Kate didn't answer her phone. She may have been asleep. After have, of course, the participle. I can't find my phone anywhere. And then someone tells you, you might have left in town. You might have left. Meaning perhaps you left at work. Why wasn't Ami at the meeting yesterday? She might not have known about it. She might not have known about it. Or maybe perhaps, you see, that's the meaning. Perhaps she didn't know. I wonder why David was in such a bad mood yesterday. And the person says, he may not have been feeling well. Yeah, you never know. He may not have been. He may not have been feeling well. All these are perhaps, it is possible he was in a bad mood. It was possible. But again, you are not sure about it, okay? You are not sure about the situation. You're not sure about that. You see may and might here. So this is the past tense. May not have or might have or negative might not have with, of course, the participle there. Now remember, may sometimes is a word for showing possibility and even might. There's another word that shares the same characteristics as may or might to show possibility. And this is could. This could is not good for past tense. No. This is now for showing that the possibility is possible. It's a strange story, but it could be true. I'm told the new president has millions of money in the bank. Really? I don't know, but it could be true. It may be true. It might be true. So all of them may, could, might, here in this case, have the same meaning of it is possible. They have the same meaning. And that is why even when I say you might have left, I can also say you could have left. You could have left your phone at work, meaning it's possible that you left it at work. Yeah. So that shows there's a possibility. It's a possibility. But remember, that is only for positive could. Couldn't is different from may not and might not. Something to note. Very important. That although we are saying that could has the same meaning as may and might for possibility, possible actions in the future. Okay? Couldn't, on the other hand, is different. Couldn't is not like may not and might not, because may not meaning it's possible, it's not. Might not, possible. But couldn't, this one is sure. Couldn't, you remember I couldn't come yesterday? He couldn't have been there, so I'm sure. You remember we did yesterday, the other day about can't and couldn't? Yeah. So Sarah couldn't have received my message. So when you say she couldn't have received, I'm sure she did not receive my message. So otherwise we would have replied. So it is not possible that she got my message. You see here, it's not possible. Why hasn't Sarah replied to my message? I suppose she might not have received, okay? She might not have received. Meaning it's possible that she didn't receive it. Perhaps she did. Yeah, you are not sure. Perhaps she did not. But here it is strictly, it's not possible. It's not possible that he received the message. It's not possible. So can you see with couldn't, you're sure. There's not like you're doubting. But this one here might not have received. It's like 50-50. Well, maybe she received, maybe she didn't receive. I don't know. If today I call, what time is it now? It's now 5:44. Yeah, 5 o'clock in the evening. I don't expect Yaya to have slept now. Let me call him. After 2 minutes, he's not picking his call. And Zainab says, maybe he's asleep. Maybe he has gone to bed. I say, no. Yaya couldn't have gone to sleep now. Or present, Yaya can't have gone. Yaya can't have gone to sleep. It's not possible. It's not possible. That man does not sleep at 5 o'clock. No. Because I'm sure he can't sleep at this time when the sun is here. Not possible. Until morning, no, he does not sleep early like that. But if I say he might have gone to bed, maybe if we call him at 11 o'clock, and then he doesn't pick, when you say he might have gone to sleep now, possible, yeah, it's possible. Also, maybe not, so you're not sure. But this one, I'm sure, he can't have gone to bed. He can't have gone to bed. Tomorrow, Yaya comes and say, yo, I saw you called me yesterday in the evening. I think I had gone to bed. I say, no, you're lying. You couldn't have gone to bed at that early. It was 5 o'clock. You couldn't have gone. It's not possible that you are going to bed. It's not possible. So that is the idea I want us to build about that. So in summary, we have said may and might are actually the same. You can say may or might not, might or might not, they're the same meaning actually. Okay, past tense is may have and might have. He might have gone. I didn't see him yesterday. She might have gone to Mombasa. She might have gone to Uganda. You see that? Yeah, he may have gone to Entebbe. He might have gone to South Africa. Yes, these are past imagination only of possible places where you are. With the meaning, could and may and might have the same meaning to show possibility. But for negative sentences, although we are saying that could, may, and might are the same, for the negatives, no. May not, might not, still possible, but again, not sure. But couldn't, here it is strictly, it's not possible. Yeah, it's not possible. I'm sure about that. So I think now you have that point. We can now go through exercise 29.1 together. Complete the sentences, choose from the box. Do you know where Helen is? I'm not sure. She might be in her room. Yeah, this is actually easy. So I want you to try this one together. Complete each sentence using the verb in brackets. Where is Ben? I'm not sure. He might be having lunch. Because it is present, he might be having lunch. Yes, Amina, number 2.
Yes, teacher. And who was the guy we saw with Anna yesterday? I am not sure. He may be. Oh, yeah, sorry. It may be her brother.
No.
It may have been her brother.
Yes, because it's yesterday, isn't it? Yes. It may have been. It may have been her brother. Yeah. Zainab?
Yes,
Number 3.
teacher.
Number 3.
3. Where are those people from?
Here.
I don't know.
No, number 3. Number 3 here.
I don't know.
No. Zainab, look here.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yes.
No. Look at the board. Exercise 29.2. 29.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Is Ali here?
Is Ellie here?
I can't see her. She might not arrive.
Yeah. She may not.
She might not arrive.
No, this is may. This is may, not might. It's written may.
She might not have arrived yet. Arrived yet.
Why are you saying
arrived
might?
Yet?
Why might? It's may. Look, may.
She might not.
No. This is may.
She may not.
Yes.
Have arrived yet.
I can't see her. So she may not have arrived yet. Yes, she may not have arrived yet. Yes.
Where?
Yeah, okay.
May.
Yeah, correct.
May not.
Yes. Yeah.
Have arrived yet.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Gary said he would meet us in the cave.
Gary said.
He would meet us in the cave. But he's not. He isn't here.
In the cafe. In the cafe.
He might be waiting outside. I will go and look.
Yes. Gary said he would meet us in the cafe, but he isn't here. And then someone says he might be waiting outside. He might be waiting outside. I'll go and look. Yeah, he might be waiting. Yes. Yeah. So
present.
Yeah, present.
As a verb.
Present. Yeah, present. Yeah, he might be waiting now. So Gary said he'd meet us in the cafe, but he's not here. So he might be waiting. He might be waiting. Yeah, present. Yeah, he might be waiting now because he said he'll meet now. So he might be waiting. It's not past. So please try your homework as well. I've gone through everybody's homework, except a few areas, maybe a few things that of course you did not get, but you did very well. So 5 to 11, please. Finally, remember might not have is past. Couldn't have is also past. But you see, might not have is possibly. Here, you are sure it is not possible. Yes? Zainab? Zainab, yes? Okay, so might not have, you are not sure. Couldn't have is it is impossible. I was surprised Ami wasn't at the meeting. Perhaps she didn't know about it. So you see, perhaps she didn't know. So it's going to be maybe she might not have known. She might not have known about it. Okay. Let me look for another one. Number 2. I wonder why Tom didn't come to the party. Perhaps he didn't want to come. So it is possible. So he might not have wanted to come. He might not have wanted to come. But look at number 3. I wonder how the fire started. Was it an accident? And then B says, no. The police say it couldn't have been an accident. It was deliberate. You get the point? It couldn't have been an accident because the police say, no, it's not possible. It's not possible. So it couldn't have been an accident. It was deliberate. Are you together there?
Yeah.
It was deliberate. It was deliberate. It was deliberate. It was deliberate. So number 4, please try number 4 and 5 at home. We take another 1 minute break. Another 1 minute break. And then we come back for the next part 2. Don't go away. Okay?